Self-perform work, it's work done by our forces. The benefit of it is it puts us in total control of the cost, the schedule, the quality, and the safety of the project. We have a wide spectrum of projects that we self-perform on. Whether you're going from a skyscraper to a sporting event, or from a dam to a hospital, all types of commercial construction, federal courthouses, and data centers, and we're self-performing on all types of work.
Our self-perform operations are largely geared around self-perform concrete, formwork, finishing, and such, but the reality is we have multiple trades, whether it's pipe fitters, it's welders, we even have a tugboat pilot on board. It helps to understand how general contractors operate, particularly general contractors the size of Brasfield and Gorrie often are risk adverse and they had preferred to subcontract the actual manual labor. And Mr. Gorrie recognized that trend and challenged us a number of years ago to never lose the ability to build it yourself. And that has really ignited a new movement into the self-perform. And what you've seen over the past 2 or 3 years is a regrowth or almost a rebirth of B&G's self-perform capabilities. So the people you see behind me, there's 125 craftsmen out there. They're all Brasfield and Gorrie employees building these structures.
There's a lot of benefits to doing self-perform work. The biggest one in my mind is it's a training ground for our people. And really, to do the concrete work, you have to understand the entire building process of a whole building. So it trains people in that process, and they learn to be better builders by doing it. Fantastic to me to see all the people we've got here and how many people have been with Brasfield and Gorrie for a long time. I mean, there's people that are working here today that have been with us for 20 years, you know, sweating and working in the sun and the rain every day. And they're really the ones that have moved up and are becoming the future leaders of the company. You know, we're always tweaking what we do to try and make it more efficient and go faster. And all our engineering is robotic. You know, all our layout is done that way. And then the whole building, including lift drawings for all of the concrete, you know, is designed in VDC with all the embeds, all the blockouts. Now we've got people that are coming up with the technology that they're using to do it, having grown up using it, should really take us to another level of incorporating that into what we do.
Our legacy, our heritage is based in being a true general contractor, being a true builder. We want to further that. We want to continue that. We want to provide career opportunities for men and women who have a passion for being builders. The ability for us to control quality, control schedule, control cost is rooted in our ability to self-perform. That is going to take us to the next level. We want to focus on our men and women to continue to have that knowledge base, that experience, that passion for putting it in ourselves with B&G Forces.